What's up, guys? This is Oneil ASMR and welcome to my channel. Make sure you guys smash that like, hit that subscribe, notification bell, and leave a comment down below what y'all think of this video. Any ideas, leave it in the comment section. I appreciate y'all for coming to the channel. So, in this video, we're gonna be doing an unboxing. I had ordered a big mic for my phone. You know what I'm saying? I want to test it out, but I haven't tested it yet. I literally just got it. So we're gonna open it and see. Let's see what's to this. It comes like this. Let me see what this is. I think this might be for the PC, I think. If I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Oh, it might be for the phone. Why just plug it in? Let me see. Pull this out. Let's see. Got the mic right here, guys. Let's see. Take this out. Let's see. Let's see, it got mute, the mic volume, echo, and the headphones. Okay. I'll probably just keep it like this or something. Let's see what this cord goes to. Cause they said it got noise, guys. At least. Let's see. I think this goes to the mic, to the phone. I think this part do. Let's see. Hey, y'all, let me know. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Plug it right here. Hold on. Make sure I'm doing this right. So, this part. I think this right here goes. Yeah, like this. And that's how you use it for the phone, I think. Take that right here. Now you plug this to the phone. That's how you do it. I'm gonna use it on live to just see how it sounds though. So let me see if it's working. So y'all hold on a second. Let me try to change mics and let me know if y'all hear the difference. in it. Yo, what's up, guys? What's up, guys? Y'all let me know how that mouse sounds with the new mic. I'm just testing this with my phone.